हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम एनसीएल असिस्टेंट फोरमैन मैकेनिकल पेपर के लिए मॉडल पेपर के क्वेश्चन आंसर पढ़ेंगे, जो सभी मैकेनिकल एग्जाम के लिए मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर है। क्वेश्चन: प्लेन एंड बट वेल्ड्स may be used on materials up to approximately. आंसर: ऑप्शन ए 25 mm thick. Question: in which type of welding a pool of molten metal is used? Answer: option A electroslag welding. Question: projection welding is? Answer: option A multi spot welding process. Question: preheating is essential in welding? Answer: option C cast iron. Question: open circuit voltage for arc welding is of the order of? Answer: option B 40 volts to 95 volts. Question: forge welding is best suited for? Answer: option D wrought iron. Question: arc below occurs in? Answer: option C arc welding when straight polarity is used. Question: carburizing flame is used to weld metals like? Answer: option C aluminum, stainless steel, zinc die castings, nickel, monel, etc. Question: for mounting several patterns at a time, following type of pattern is used? Answer: option D match plate pattern. Question: the mold is housed in a? Answer: option A flask. Question: a large, intricate, heavy casting weighing in tons is to be cast. The most appropriate molding process would be? Answer: option B pit molding. Question: hemming is the operation? Answer: option A in which the edges of sheet are turned over to provide stiffness and a smooth edge. Question: the broaching operation in which the tool moves past the stationary work is known as? Answer: option B pull broaching. Question: in most high speed milling cutters, positive radial rake angle is? Answer: option C 10° to 15°. Question: which of the following lathe operations requires that the cutting edge of a tool bit be placed exactly on the work center line? Answer: option C facing. Question: chemical reagents and agents are used in the following machining method? Answer: option D chemical machining. Question: size of shaper is specified by? Answer: option A length of stroke. Question: the point of a tube drill is thinned in order to? Answer: option D reduce the axial feed pressure. Question: in grinding operation for grinding softer materials? Answer: option A coarser grain size is used. Question: the list count of a metric vernier caliper having 25 divisions on vernier scale matching with 24 divisions of main scale. One main scale division is equal to 0.5 millimeter is answer option C 0.02 millimeter. Question: the height of a simple watt governor is proportional to answer option A speed n. Question: which of the following is not the gear for non-parallel non-intersecting shafts? Answer option C bevel gear. Question: the centrifugal tension in belts. Answer option A reduce power transmission. Question: cam size depends upon answer option A base circle. Question: the total number of instantaneous centers for a mechanism of n links is answer option A n bracket n minus 1 bracket close upon 2. Question: the example of spherical pair is answer option C ball and socket joint. Question: a point on a link connecting double slider crank chain traces a answer option D ellipse. Question: an economizer in a boiler. Answer option C decreases fuel consumption. Question: steam in water tube boiler as compared to fire tube boiler. Answer option A can be raised rapidly. Question: the difference between Cornish boiler and Lancashire boiler is that answer option C former contains one fire tube and later contains two fire tube. Question: locomotive boiler is of the following type. Answer option D mobile. Question: forces are called coplanar when all of them acting on body lie in answer option B one plane. Question: D'Alembert's principle is used for answer option A reducing the problem of kinetics to equivalent statics problem. Question: the units of moment of inertia of mass are answer option A kilogram square meter. Question: an ideal flow of any fluid must fulfill the following. Answer option D continuity equation. Question: dimensions of surface tension are answer option A m की पावर 1 l की पावर 0 t की पावर -2. Question: a one dimensional flow is one which answer option D involves zero transverse component of flow. Question: piezometer is used to measure answer option C very low pressures. Question: center of buoyancy is the answer option A centroid of the displaced volume of fluid? Question. Cavitation is caused by. Answer option D. Low pressure. Question. Reynolds number is the ratio of inertial force to. Answer option D. Viscosity. Question. In an external mouthpiece, value of coefficient of discharge if pipe is flowing full will be. Answer option D 1. Question. The maximum temperature in the internal combustion engine cylinder is of the order of. Answer option D 2000 degrees Celsius to 2500 degrees Celsius. Question. Which of the following medium is compressed in a diesel engine cylinder? Answer option A. Air alone. Question. The size of inlet valve of an engine in comparison to exhaust valve is. Answer option A. More. Correct answer is option B. Less. The size of inlet valve of an engine in comparison to exhaust valve is less. Question. In a typical medium speed 4-stroke cycle diesel engine. Answer option A. Exhaust valve opens at 35 degree before bottom dead center and close at 20 degree after top dead center. Question. Deformation per unit length in the direction of force is known as. Answer option C. Linear strain. Question. The value of modulus of elasticity for mild steel is of the order of. Answer option B 2.1 into 10 की power 6 kilogram per square centimeter. Question. In a tensile test near the elastic limit zone, the. Answer option A. Tensile strain increases more quickly. Question. The ratio of lateral strain to the linear strain within elastic limit is known as. Answer option D. Poisson's ratio. Question. The circumferential stress induced in a thin walled cylindrical vessel is. Answer option A. PD upon 2T. Question. The value of moment of inertia for a solid shaft of diameter d is equal to. Answer option B. Pi d की power 4 upon 64. Question. Point of counterflexure occurs in. Answer option D. Overhanging beams. Question. Waste heat can be effectively used in which one of the following refrigeration systems? Answer option B. Vapor absorption cycle or vapor absorption system. Question. The coefficient of performance COP of a refrigerator working as a heat pump is given by. Answer option B. COP of heat pump is equal to COP of refrigerator plus 1. Question. In a domestic refrigerator, a capillary tube controls the flow of refrigerant from the. Answer option D. Condenser to the evaporator. Question: thermal conductivity of water in general with rise in temperature. Answer: option D, may increase or decrease depending on temperature. Question: buttress threads are usually found on. Answer: option D, railway carriage couplings. Question: belt slip may occur due to. Answer: heavy load, loose belt, driving pulley too small, all of the above. Answer: option D. Question: basic shaft is 1. Answer: option A, whose upper deviation is 0. Question: the following type of rivet head is used for boiler plate riveting. Answer: option A, snap rivet head. Question: which of the following steel key is usually strong in failure by shear and crushing? Answer: option C, square key. Question: Oldham's coupling is used to connect two shafts which? Answer: option A, have lateral misalignment. Question: PERT has following time estimate. Answer: option C, 3 time estimate. PERT, program evaluation review technique, has 3 time estimate. Question: a small selected portion of the job can be hardened by. Answer: option A, flame and induction hardening. Question: the temperature and carbon content at which eutectic reaction occurs in iron carbon equilibrium diagram are. Answer: option C, 910 degrees Celsius and 4.30% carbon. Question: Munch metal contains copper and zinc in the ratio of. Answer: option C, 60:40. Question: gas turbine works on. Answer: Brayton or Atkinson cycle. Question: according to Boyle's law for a perfect gas. Answer: option D, P2 upon P1 is equal to V1 upon V2 if T is kept constant. Question: a cycle consisting of two adiabatics and two constant pressure process is known as. Answer: option C, जूल साइकिल. फ्रेंड्स, यदि आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए. यदि आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और यह वीडियो अपने दोस्तों को अधिक से अधिक शेयर कीजिए और मैकेनिकल ऑब्जेक्टिव मास्टर फेसबुक पेज को फॉलो कीजिए.